everyone, it is Teresa. So I decided to try something different and I'm going to bring you all along. So I gutted this book and I would have normally used it as a junk journal, but I decided I'm going to do a scrapbook junk journal mixture. So I did decorate quite a bit of these, added pages, all that. Need to add these little. So these are my scrapbook pages. And we are going to do junk journal style with it. Like I want the tags to, pull those suckers out and all that fun stuff. But for the meantime, we're just gonna slide these in. Where is my last? Oh my gosh. Okay, I put 2 in here. Oh my gosh, my brain is like totally not with it. So here we go. I will have this for the cover. Now I'm going to do this from when we went to, pictures from when we went to Hawaii for Christmas. And then I have these 2 pages, and then I have these 2 little cut aparts so far, and a little waterfall, which I will put pictures in. But the one thing I want you guys to notice, the gaps, I left big gaps right here. I am going to put a little junk journal signature in there and design it as a traveler's notebook. So if it will work, I don't know, we'll see. We are going to, I'm gonna look and see if I can actually put eyelets in there. Oh, don't want to drop any. Oh yeah, so I have 2 eyelets to go in there. And we are going to put these on. So I just had my puncher thing. Here it is. I'm going to, I don't need it very high up, just, right there. Get that out. There we go. And we're gonna flip it around and punch this side. And this is, I don't know what size this is, to be honest. I just know we are going to have these punched. Okay, now we're gonna put this in for the bottom and put a little taggle thing there. Put that in. Here we go. I'll put that in all right nice. Okay, now I am not the greatest at putting eyelets, but we are going to do it. Give that a good squeeze. There we go. Which, in all honesty, during the summer, winter, my hands don't like me. So the fact that I can squeeze that, I am really happy. And it's, okay, we are going to put this on top. I honestly am not sure what these little circle things are for, but my punches look a lot better with them on. Okay. And we're going to give that a squeeze. Here we go. And this, okay, is going to be what I put in here. So we have this thread. We're just gonna thread it through here. Have it go all the way, and then I'm gonna make sure there's enough on here to make a little bow. Right, that should be good. Let's just, I'm just totally estimating this, right? Because that's what I do with everything. And we're gonna stick this through. And then we're just gonna tie this as a bow, but I want to tie it with the signature in there, so we're going to leave this right here while we make our signature. So I'm going to set that to the side. I have some fun, nice blue and green paper, and honestly, I only want like 10 pages at the most, so we're going to do, I'll say 3 of those and 3 of these. I'll make 6. Actually, let's do 1 more of each. So that's 8. And then we're going to pick 2 of these little ones that are totally fun little, you know. Let's do this. And that's fun. I have that in there. Oh, let's do this. Okay, that's going to be our center signature. So once we get all these folded and in, then we'll get this taken care of. Oh, because there's not very many of these, I'm just going to fold them all at once. Take my little scissors, my bamboo folders are actually elsewhere. And here we go. So I'm kind of excited about this because I love making, I used to do mini albums all the time. And I love making journals. And I thought, been thinking about it for a while to collaborate the two. And now that I'm actually doing it, I am actually really excited. So I'm going to alternate these pages. There we go. And what do I want as, I think we're just going to add this in the back, in the inside. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to sew the signature with my sewing machine. Kind of weird, I know. We'll see how it turns out. I have no idea, but I'm sure gonna try. Just because there's really not many on. All right, so now I have you set up. I'm going to open this up. And I want some paper clips on here just to hold it so they don't move in the process. Okay. Let's go. Sorry if you can hear my kid. He is playing with a friend. He's actually playing with his bonus brother, I believe, on the computer. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Sorry, these are not wanting to get on here nicely. But that's okay. I'm making it work. There we go. So now this is going to be a straight stitch. And with that, you want, I'm doing a stitch length of 4. So you want it, oh, I have no thread bobbin in there. I swear my brain would be gone without my thinking. Oh, well, you guys can see how I changed my bobbin. Now, normally when you switch bobbin, you need to clean everything out, but I will do that later. Let's do this one. And the weird thing is this one gets threaded different than my other one. But that's okay, right? Okay. And then we're going to put this down, pull it up, and there we go. All right. So now we are going to do this as straight stitch 4. And the key is to stay right on that line, which I have a hard time seeing. So we're going to just oh, I think that worked out really good. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That worked out good. I'm not fond of this, but you're really not going to see that. Okay, let's add it into here, and then this. So we're going to. And then all you need to do is we are going to tie this and then tie this again. So this is like, there we go. And I'm just going to make this a butterfly. Very sloppy. And there we go. Look at that. And this does stick out just a little, but that's okay. I'll fully trim it. I should have trimmed it before I did that, the rest of it, but there we go. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. I am excited to work in this and figure it all out. So see you guys next time. Bye.